Hi again, Ozzy here. Of course, now I'm on a roll and I'm giving you too much information, but I did want to tell you a couple of things that are interesting and helpful tips on Aspen. So I'm this time using my own view, which is a school view. I have access to the 1,131 students in our school information, so I know it's a little too much information. But I wanted to tell you a couple of things. So first thing is, let's say I was looking for a student that I saw in the hallway wearing a hat and I was going to write them up. I can sort by first names if I only know the first names. So any column heading that you click on, it would sort the spreadsheet by that. So now I have the A's first and then it goes to the B's. So that might be a helpful tip. But usually by default it's from the last name. What I wanted to tell you about is if you wanted to look for a student's RTI plan, I'm going to select and search by alerts. So this one right here is for attendance. So it would tell us what student was present, during what time, and during what periods was he absent. So potentially this student came in late or was dismissed early. Let's go down, I'll scroll down to, I wanted to see if I can find an RTI student. There we go. So we have one student right here that has an RTI plan, and of course the confidential information I don't want to show you. However, I'm going to select the show selected. And then to see this student's RTI plan, what you have to do is Site tab, Documents. You won't see anything because there is no journal entries here, which we are all kind of accustomed to documenting our conversations and such. But under Ed Plans is what you click on, and then there is an RTI plan that is active. I'm not going to click it for privacy purposes. However, if you click it, then you can see the student's RTI plan. Now, when you click on this RTI, it doesn't say anything. It just says the effective date. It's not like the 504 plans where you actually see the accommodations, unfortunately. However, if I go back to the student list, I'm going to say all active students. And all of these students with RTI plans, if you actually click show selected, and then you go on documents, Ed plans, click on this and you'll see their active RTI. I hope this was helpful. I am going to show you again how to get back. So the filter is how you get all of your students back. That's it, I think. If I think of something else that might be helpful, I'll come back with another video. In the meantime, enjoy RTI searching. Have a good night. This is it. Ozzy out.